Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we have the Roman Key male big guy na action figure na templated body. This is very, very cool. Kung gusto niyo makakuha nito mga ma'am, sir, punta kayo sa Shopee. Type niyo lang sa search box, Roman Key male big guy body. And lalabas na yung mga search results. Thank you very much, client, for sending me this for review and customization. Ko-custom natin siya for a Venom action figure project. So meron tayong 3D printed heads provided din yan ni client. Tapos itong Roman key na big guy na action figure. Super cool. Mabigat siya. This is 18 centimeters tall. 112 scale. So ito yung box niya. Black box, Roman key logo upper left. Vitruvian Man style of illustration. UMS 003 big guy, black skin. Some I think Chinese text or 112 action figure for custom Roman key. This is Roman key na authentic na sticker. Made in China, Roman key toys. Ito yung mga social media handles nila. 112 action figure for custom. Yan. Tapos, if you search some images sa Google, Roman key big guy, ito yung mga search results. Meron din siyang black version, yung talagang black. Ito kasi on hand, this is brown. Pero nakalagay sa box, this is a black skin. Okay? So, start tayo sa composition na sa layout or sa form ng figure. This is very nice for a custom figure kasi very pronounced or very defined yung mga muscles niya. You have the traps, the shoulders, yung chest, yung traps niya, yung trapezius muscles, medyo naka-extend lang dito sa kanyang neck. Tapos meron lang siyang gap dito. Okay? Pero the head is very nice, pero wala siyang mouth. Kasi nga ano lang siya, template na, pero maganda rin na ano yun, parang covered yung mouth niya, para siyang may face plate. Pero very pronounced yung chin, yung eyebrows, and the nose. Tapos curved na head. And dun sa muscles niya, kita din yung mga veins. And na-extend din tong part na to. Very nice plastic. I think ABS plastic ginamit nila dito. Very high quality. Hindi siya yung hindi brittle yung plastic na ginamit dito. I'm very surprised na ganito yung quality ng Roman key na action figures. Okay? This is the back, the front, the side, and yun nga, very pronounced yung muscles. Maganda rin to for anatomy purposes. Kung gusto nyo, kung ako naisip ko nga rito, pwede ko siyang gawing reference for comic book style of illustrations kasi gumagawa ako ng mga ng comic book illustrations sa vellum board. So I think this is a very nice reference for poses kasi syempre di ba pwede mo siyang look at the hands. Ganda ng pagkaka-pose ng mga kamay. Ang dami niya ng accessories. Mamaya discuss natin. So this one is the black skin version. Very large shoulders. You have the biceps, the triceps, you have the arms. Very cool, very pronounced veins and muscles. Actually, yun na yung theme ng ano rito eh. Yun na yung theme and motif ng action figure na to kasi nga for custom made talaga siya eh. Made for custom repaints talaga to eh. Tapos, meron pa siyang faceplate na Venom. May teeth. So I think this one is made for Venom action figures. Ito kasi maganda tong black talaga eh. Ayan o. Makikita natin dito sa mga images. Super cool. Sana gumawa pa si Roman Key ng iba't ibang mga style. Actually, tinitingnan ko yung website nila. Actually, yung mga images pala. Marami silang ginawang mga iba't ibang style ng mga bodies. So this one is the big guy. Very large chest. You have the relatively small na abdomen kasi parang ganyan yung mga naalala ko tuloy yung mga bodybuilding na mga contests, yung mga yung body ni Arnold Schwarzenegger para siyang ganito eh. And then you have the glutes, yung kanyang quadriceps. Ito yung kanyang leg muscles. You have also the calves here. Very nice. Very well sculpted na ano, na action figure. Bagay na bagay sa mga custom pieces. Okay. So yung sinend ni client for customization, apat na head sculpt. So you have this Venom head. This one is the closed mouth, open mouth. Okay. Tapos open mouth with tongue. Hindi ko alam kung kanino siya nagpa 3D print. Pero super ganda. Ganda ng pagka 3D print dito. Okay. And then this one is the mid transformation na Venom with the face sculpt of Eddie Brock. Very, very cool. Ayan, lapit natin. Ayan. Ganda. Ganda ng ano, ganda ng 3D print na to. And shout out to you, sir, kung sino man nag 3D print. And shout out din to my client. Ganda ng ano, ganda ng Roman key na body na pinadala mo sa akin. Okay? And then for articulation, articulation ng kanyang figure. Okay, head can look up like that. Very nice. Grabe yung ano, yung tilt ng head down, tilt, tapos 360. Pwede rin nata ito mag 360. Yes, of course, pwede. Look at the neck muscles. Tapos meron pa siyang very pronounced Adam's apple. Tapos yung neck nagmo-move siya independently. Para siyang Revoltech style na ganito yung namo-move din yung kanyang itong outside part of the outer part of the chest. Okay, for additional movement. Okay, namo-move din yan. Okay. Tapos yung arms can rotate. Ayan. Can move out like that. Tapos pwede mo rin i-rotate yung part ng kanyang arm, and then though yung kamay niya 90 degrees lang ito. 90 degrees nga lang ba? Or more, yeah, 90 degrees kasi nag-hinder na dun sa part na to itong kanya biceps. Okay, ball joint yung kamay. Okay, you can move it inward or outwards. Okay, so okay, ito. Tapos naman dito sa kanyang torso, you can extend this out for additional height. Tapos pwede naman siya i-tilt. Wow, nice tilt. Grabe yung gundo. Pero yun nga, malaki na yung gap. Pero for reference purposes, maangas to. Ganda to. Oh, grabe yung tilt nyo. Tapos, we can also do some stretches and crunches and stretches. Okay? Tapos, we can also rotate yung lower torso, yung sa waist and yung sa upper torso. Yung sa upper torso, konting-konti, siguro ganyan lang yung movement niya. Hindi siya mag-360. Okay? Kasi nasa hinge yung kanyang yung kanyang joint. Okay? Ganda yung ginawa nila dito. Very cool. Okay. Tapos sa legs, you can rotate this for kick. Kick that far. Very nice. Back kick that far. Double jointed knee. And then, ball joint yung paa. And then, meron siyang toe articulation. Very cool Roman key na action figure. Okay. Ganda. Tuwa ako dito kayo, no? Roman key. Mahal din pala nito. Around, tinitingnan ko sa Shopee, around 5,000 pesos. Plus. Okay, wait lang. Ganda, oh. May mga nagko-custom na rin. May mga nakita na rin tayong custom. Ito yung mga old man, 3D heads. Yan. Kaya kung bibili kayo nito, ang kailangan nyo na lang talaga, mga head sculpts. Meron din palang kasama. Ito, Venom yung kasama rito eh. Ito, Venom head. Okay, pero wala siyang eyes ah. Some shoes. Ito yung shoes na medyo bulky, na may sintas, na may shoelace. And then this one is some type of leather shoes, slip-on. Tapos meron ka din boxing gloves. So if you want to customize this na parang Balrog, pwede, from Street Fighter. You also have the middle finger, some chopping hands, okay, some merong finger hearts na ayos ah. May finger hearts, may trigger finger, open palms, thumbs up, pointing finger, some trigger finger sa right hand, and 2 fists. Wow, ngayon lang ako nakakita nito ah. So this one's different. Yung finger A heart, finger hearts. Nasaan? Ito. Hearts and the middle finger. Sculpted to mga ma'am sila. Super cool. Tapos meron siya apat na extra joints. I think this one is for the wrists and the hands maybe. Tama ba? Shoulders ata to. Shoulders and hands. If ever, kung naglalaro kayo tapos na-post nyo siya ng ano, ng hindi magandang position tapos nabali yung joint, meron kayong extra joint. Wow, this is very cool. Again, thank you very much, client, for this. This is Roman Key action figures na body. Ako kung magkakaroon nito, gagamitin ko to for a reference sa mga action figure na drawings. Look at this, yung mga post na ganyan. Ako gusto ko yung kamay na naka foreshortening. Yan. So yun mga ma'am sir, that's it. Ito ang ating unboxing and review ng Roman Key male big guy black skin action figure. If you want this, punta lang kayo sa Shopee and look for some deals. I think pwede nyo pa itong mapababa using the vouchers and sa mga sales. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!